Hello students, in the previous topic you studied about nominative case, objective case and possessive case. So today's our topic is formation of possessive case. Let's discuss about this topic. Firstly, singular nouns form their possessive case by adding apostrophe s to the singular. So firstly, how to change the possessive case of singular nouns? If our noun is singular and we have to show here possessive case, just add apostrophe s to the singular noun to show possessive case. For example, boy is here singular, but we have to show a possessive case. So what we will add? We will add apostrophe s. So it will become the boy's dog. Next again, father is a singular, but we have to change into possessive case. So at that time we will add apostrophe s. So my father's office. Next is plural nouns ending in s form their possessive case by adding only an apostrophe. So when we are changing a noun, singular noun into plural, and that noun if ends with s, for example boy, its plural is boys, tree, trees. So when we have to change plural noun and that ends with s into possessive case, at that time just add apostrophe. For example, it become boys school, trees leaf. Okay, so this is the second one, how to change the nouns into possessive case. If our noun ends with s, plural noun ends with s, just add apostrophe to the noun. Third one, there are few nouns, plural nouns that do not end in s. It doesn't mean singular noun always changes into plural by adding s. No. Plural nouns that do not end in s form their possessive case by adding apostrophe s. For example, child, its plural is children. Okay, so at that time what we will do? Just add again apostrophe s to show the possessive case. Women's club. Next one, the possessive case is not normally used with the names of lifeless things. Instead, we use a structure with of. When we are talking about lifeless things, non-living objects, at that time we do not use apostrophe s. Okay, we use a structure with of. For example, we will write the leg of the table. Don't write table's leg, it's the incorrect one. Okay, when we are talking about lifeless things, at that time you will write the leg of the table. The cover of the book. Don't write book's cover, it's the incorrect one. To show the possessive case of lifeless things, use a structure of the leg of the table, the cover of the book. Next, exceptions. There are two exceptions here. The possessive case is often used with the names of personified objects. But when we are talking about personified objects means when an inanimate objects are given human characteristics, when we personify an object and treat it as a living being, at that time you can add apostrophe s. So for example, nature's laws, add duty's call. Again, one more exception is there. The possessive case is also used with nouns denoting time, space and weight. There are few nouns which denotes time, space and weight. At that time you also add apostrophe s to show the possessive case. For example, in a year's time, a day's work, at a stone's throw. So there are two exceptions here when we have to show the possessive case of personified objects and the nouns noting time, space and weight. At that time you can add apostrophe s. So this much is in your topic. Your topic is formation of possessive case. Thanks.